If somebody doesn't have great credit, can they still purchase a home? Like, meaning if somebody has below average credit, is there something that they can do to put themselves in a better position to be able to purchase a home? Meaning, is credit something that can be fixed to be able to?
Absolutely. Yeah. Credit can for sure be fixed. Working with, again, a knowledgeable, an expert is what I like to call them. And that's on the real estate side or the mortgage side when I say expert, but more on the mortgage side. If you get into the process and you get pre-approved, or maybe you already know that you have credit issues, talk to a professional on the mortgage side. They can guide you through the process. A lot of them can tell you what you need to do to get your credit up, and can refer you to people that can help you otherwise. But people, I think there's a lot of people out there that don't understand that, you don't have to have perfect credit to buy a house.
Mhm.
You can, there are loans out there, FHA, that allow you to purchase with lower credit scores. And again, you'll have people that believe one way or the other that FHA is good or bad or what have you. But I would say here, at the end of the day, have the numbers run, compare them to, something. Maybe if you had better credit scores, have the lender show you what it looks like on paper. And so you have something to compare it to versus just thinking, that one option is not the best option for you without actually knowing how it looks on paper.
Mhm.
I've had several clients actually in the last year that have purchased using FHA loans. And because of where equity has gone and property appreciation's gone, these people were able to actually refinance and remove PMI. And they started with 3.5% down about a year ago. So, I mean, again, they're not for everyone. You've got to compare the payment, make sure you're comfortable. And there's obviously other things that you need to have in place as well, like reserves, and make sure you're not stretching yourself. And a longer term time horizon is what I say for most people buying a house in this market, or really any market. You don't want to think that you can buy a house this year and flip it next year, or sell it for more money next year, just because that's what's happened over the last year and a half. Yeah, it's been great in some regards, but it's giving people this false sense of that's how the market always works, and it's not the reality. So have a longer term time horizon, and again, talk to a lender and have them run numbers for you, and you can get a real perspective of where you are.